Traditional voice technology often sounds robotic and fake. Human voice acting is costly and time-consuming, requiring expensive studios and weeks of production time. Natural, emotional AI speech seemed impossible, until now. Meet ElevenLabs, offering AI voice so realistic you won't believe it's not human. Key features include hyper-realistic speech, voice cloning from minutes of sample audio, support for 29 languages, and precise emotion control for tone, pace, and delivery. ElevenLabs provides hyper-realistic voice synthesis, indistinguishable from real humans in quality and cadence. You can clone any voice from just minutes of reference audio. It also features 29 language support for natural, expressive speech and emotional tone control to adjust delivery on demand. Who benefits from human-quality AI voice without hiring an actor? Audiobook producers can create full narration at scale. Game developers can voice unlimited characters instantly. Content creators can add polished voiceovers to any video. Accessibility tools can provide natural-sounding text-to-speech that users actually want to listen to. Experience AI voice that sounds human. It's so real you won't believe it's AI. Visit ElevenLabs.io. No download needed. Try free voice generation immediately. Clone a voice or choose from the library and hear AI voices so real you won't believe it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing for more content.